Over here we have banana. Fruit train, yes, sorry. Thank you, Richard. Fruit train. Mistakenly say fruit tree and Richard correct me. Fruit train. So we have that right there. I can't go to the fridge now to bring apple. I'll do the apple tomorrow. But most of the we need this to get ripe, so we have to put them in here. That's the major part of it. Apple will be out tomorrow morning, or maybe later. I can put apple on it later. Yeah, that is here already. Thank you, Richard, for watching after Liam. No, Richard was helping me to watch after Liam. Liam has been so drawing my stuff. He has been drawing. So look at that here, right here. And okay, what we have inside here. Let's pick what we have inside here and add to it. There's
with this and plant.
Plant care. Okay, this one right here.
We can plant it outside.
And that's okay. And that's carrot. I will not put carrot here because if I put it, they will eat it. Maybe they might forget that the one here is not washed. Okay. Cucumber. Stay there. Yes, back there. I really enjoy this €3 bag that I saw there. I wish it can be like this all the time. I will be picking €3 bag because everything inside that bag is more than €5. Believe me. Because like you got to have a bit of things. So now this is also ready. My fruit train is ready. My fruits are ready to go to the fridge. You can see my kids eat really, really healthy. Every member of my family, they eat healthy. So now let's get our eggs ready. This is the last pieces that's remaining from the egg from last time. So the train go over there. Let's get the eggs ready. Going to remove the old eggs so that they will be on top, and I will know which one to use first. Ah, okay. Looks like these are white. I didn't notice because my husband just asked me how many should they pick, and he was one of it. Liam, stop! And he's one of picking. Now everybody is away here. You want to draw my light again? You're smiling. If you touch my light, if you try it, I got it. Think of it. This boy, I'm gonna deal with him. Anyway, it's still good that Liam, Lily, live there. Lily, Mr. Duke, live there. This breath take up my attention. Should I deal with you now? Should I deal with you? Should I? Back here. When everybody is awake, that is how you misbehave. Everybody is awake now. Awake, they all left me. And he's misbehaving. What are this stuff? That's going to be here.
Stop making this thing.
No space for this now. So That's it.
That's the
Yeah, he has given me a little headache since you people left.
sorry, I was putting heavy to that place. You can get all the stuff.
He has made me to shout a little. Draw all my lights. Draw my light left and right. So going to the fridge to go and drop them. So see you guys later. Bye.